day 3 of riding here. We got a beautiful day. High is about 74 degrees. A little breeze, but clear skies so far, so I think it's going to be a great day. Older boys are over there trying to get radios set up to where they can have a music playlist going on the radios as we're riding. You guys switch radios, Ken?
Can you hear me?
I don't have mine on yet. Alright, well, yeah, I think we're going to head back up to the top of this ridge here at some point and probably hit a couple trails that we were on yesterday. They were just awesome. And then one of them we started, but we couldn't finish it, so we'll probably get on that one and go for a ways. So,
did this bumper hit something?
it bent back a little.
Looks like it's almost touching the body here. And on the other side, there's 3/8 inch of clearance.
Ready?
You guys gonna have to start having your own machines instead of tearing mine up.
That's right.
I'm not paying for
I'm gonna
machine.
buy a used 570 and then save up for 850.
Good plan.
When you do connect for Bluetooth, it says it's only connected for calls.
Well, then that's your Bluetooth settings.
Now to the right.
Somehow needs to be
I see
audio
what you're
too,
talking
the media
about.
or something like that.
That's an old boiler or something.
Actually, it does.
Backpack over here.
On a trail. There's a trail.
Yeah, but that just goes right back up to the trucks.
Stop.
Oh, yeah, I can use it
I was talking to D.
Well, Dad, I just saw a mouse. And
Oh.
it ran into the grass.
Well, that's almost the same thing as a moose.
Hey, we got some here. One letter off.
Yep.
Dad, where do you want me to go?
Just go down there with them.
Thank you.
Hey, this is kind
Got
of
it.
cool.
You following me?
Yeah, I'm guessing it probably goes up to that
To the
338.
Yeah.
But I like this.
Is that the way we're going? It meets another trail.
I think Jeff, we need to go on that trail.
It meets a trail. I'm gonna turn right, but that is a trail. It looks like. Or maybe should we go left a little bit?
Well, we need to wait for them. Maybe go right, see. Follow Ken.
On the trail.
There's a little campsite there.
I think. Hey, yeah, follow Blake.
Just going to go back to the trucks.
Are you guys following us?
Wait, Dad, where are we going?
Not through that
Which
stuff.
way? Left
Where are
or
you
right?
guys at?
Blake, boy. We're coming back
Where'd you
around.
go? Did you go straight back to the trucks?
Guys already back? Follow me.
All right.
There.
I'm right here.
Should we follow this for a bit?
Yeah.
Is this where they went?
I think so.
Do you want me to hold up?
I think they went on the other one. Are you guys just on the main trail?
No.
Yeah, we just kept going forward.
No?
No.
We're on a
We
dirt.
went. It's
From-
that one little
Go straight.
one into the trees.
Well, there's a couple of them.
I'd keep going left. See where this takes us.
I was thinking. Hey, is this the day us kids decide where we go?
Well, we kind of had a route figured out already.
Where is it?
We were going to go back up to the ridge,
Hey, slow down through this, Jace.
and then we were going to go on the trail that we came out of on Libby Flats.
Cheers.
At 275, maybe?
I can't remember.
That one we just started and said maybe we do it today.
Yeah, that one.
That was a longer one.
This is the end here, Kenton?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it dead ends?
Yeah.
All right.
But we don't have to do that, but that's just kind of what we discussed yesterday. Let me get out of your
Dad,
road, Blake.
can
so you
you
can back
get us
up
back?
here.
Huh?
Agnes gonna take a sec.
Well, you may want to, don't come up here, Agni.
Don't?
There's a log down across the trail, so it's probably not worth
There's
coming
a
up
spot
here.
to turn around here.
Wait for them to come out, Jace.
That's too bad. This is cool in here.
Yeah.
Go down like that so you keep your nose straight down. Now that you're down, now turn.
You can pick it up a little bit still. There you go.
Looking for 343, right, Dad?
Ken, I wonder if your springs are just kind of worn out on the back
Why?
of
Because
that
it
thing.
sits lower?
Well, your tires look like they kind of toe in a little bit. I don't know.
So do
I don't
yours.
think it's the bearing. I just think it's maybe the spring's a little.
It is definitely the bearing because it's wobbling.
I don't think it's.
Or the bushing or something. Otherwise, it wouldn't be wobbling.
It doesn't
Could be
wobble.
both.
Yours angling a little bit too.
Well, some's normal, but yours seem more than.
I would,
Yeah,
I would agree. Kenton's are a little more chippy.
Yeah.
They're leaning in.
How much are new springs?
I don't know.
Oh.
You can buy.
Just-
Probably get
Well,
aftermarket ones for fairly cheap.
Skip the springs and just buy a set of Elkas.
I don't want to spend that money.
Oh, come on.
No,
Fat Agni ain't getting through here, so
Well,
if you see a spot to turn around, I'd take it.
Blake, you hear that?
right there.
Right here would work.
There's a good spot for me to turn.
Jace?
Ken, you can, turn around anywhere. Just keep going, D. I just want to kind of see where this goes. We got to be about the end of it anyway.
Actually, now, I don't think.
Blake, you getting it turned around?
Stop. This is it. We're at the end. Let me turn around here. Just be faster.
How's Fat and Sassy doing?
She's
Doing
back
well.
there.
A little slow for my taste, but. Oh, water crossing. I like to see.
Oh, she'll make it.
Hold on, Blake. Hold on.
Stop,
I'm going to break off those branches.
Yeah. Burying by accident last time, right?
I just heard it over the intercom, but I didn't do anything.
Heard a beep.
Stay to the right. There you go. Is this this is where we seen a moose yesterday?
Not right here, but
Not far away.
not far. I'll wait
Let's
for
go,
everybody to get
J-Dub.
here.
We're all
okay.
here.
Pretty good.
I didn't see you, Dad. You're behind the Fat and Sassy.
Well, maybe if she wasn't so dang fat,
Beep!
you'd have seen me.
Beep! Fat and Sassy! It's Fat and Sassy! The moose! Don't you see it?
No.
All the way
In
back
there.
there? That's a moose.
I actually might see one.
That's a moose. I think I see one. I
it
saw
might-
a moose too. It's a moose.
Oh. Yeah, there's something out there.
It might be a tree.
That's a
I
moose.
saw something dark, but it wasn't moving.
Go forward.
Yeah,
I
it's
saw
not moving.
something dark and it was moving.
Over here's where we seen it last time. We were right
Oh,
here.
where'd it go? Right there! I think that is a moose. I don't know.
Moving.
It's a moose!
Nothing's
I see a moose
moving.
indeed! It's a moose!
Should we drone it, or is it too windy?
It's a moose!
Nah, it's pretty windy.
Where is it? Right there! It's kind of like behind a small tree or a small...
Yeah, I haven't seen a
I don't
thing
know.
move.
I think it's a stump.
Yeah.
Like one?
Hasn't moved a muscle.
Whoever's in the lead when you come into these clearings, make enough room for everybody in case there is something so we can all see it. Y'all hear me now?
Yeah.
No, Blake.
I wasn't getting behind you that time, boy.
I got stuck in
Are you even in four-wheel drive?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, do that, please. If you're out on the wide open gravel road, two-wheel drive, totally fine. But through this stuff, just leave it in four.
Let's check one of these out.
Could you back up or
I mean, straight's the trail, but I'm checking this out.
yeah, tell us what it is, cause
We got a lot of water.
Hey.
Oh, it's Fat Agony won't be able to get under it up here. That's a long stinking puddle. No, there's no point in even going up there.
You go ahead, Blake.
don't hit this tree, Fat Acne.
People don't.
The vlog was across the puddle up there, so no point.
There are sticks blocking it.
And then there's one that I just went under.
Oh, that one should be fine.
Yeah, you're through.
So how much moose have we seen? 6?
6 yesterday.
That's actually crazy.
That is crazy.
I can't wait to tell Mom.
She's gonna think that's awesome.
Yeah.
Same, I mean.
X. There was an X on a tree.
An S or an X?
X.
Oh, X marks the spot.
Dig it up.
Dig up a tree? Really?
It clearly means uproot the tree.
A little downhill.
Man, this is
Oh, just crawling down.
Shake and bake, baby. I'm crawling down in regular engine braking mode.
No, you don't even need different modes. It just does it when you want it. The old Can-Am.
maybe not right here. I don't know.
Yeah, we saw one here last time.
Yeah,
There.
but we were over on this section. Yeah, there were 2 here.
You're not taking the water route?
Oh, you know what? I will back up just to take the water out.
I think we all took it last time, didn't we?
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you were gonna take that other side,
That
and
was-
it got a little tippy.
Go through the water.
I was on our right side there, and yeah, I was starting to tip in pretty good, so I backed up and went through the water.
Blake, pull
That
ahead.
slowed quite a bit. It's still going. Should pull for a little bit.
Yeah, somebody get some speed through there. We can dump the entire puddle down this trail. She's flowing.
That's a lot of water coming through.
Yeah.
Oh, we're starting another path right over there. I want to
That is
try.
a lot of gallons of water. It's still coming.
We're flooding the trail.
We're through.
Drain.
Go ahead, Blake.
Drain.
The whole trail's underwater.
Oh, well, it's just draining down into the creek.
We have the confluence.
Indeed.
The water's making it.
Nothing's here.
This is
yeah,
a
this
cool
is where the
spot.
deer was.
Hey, we made a waterfall.
Holy smokes.
Yes, it's cool.
Oh, water. Dirty water.
When the tires are aired down,
Oh, baby!
probably get a lot more traction.
Oh,
That's
man.
exactly why you're not gonna be this.
We had water going up over top the four-wheeler.
I get way too much
failure
traction.
in my life.
I get way too much traction. It's not even
I
there.
like you, you're a failure.
Those Sun F tires are just too good, huh?
No. I think a lot of it's because when you air them down like that.
We can put your old ones back on, K-Train.
No, things are pieces of crap.
Were they the factory tires?
Yep.
Yeah.
4,000 mile.
Yep. Things are basically bald.
Oh, I wouldn't say basically bald.
Oh,
The fronts especially had some life left in them, but
the rears were about gone.
Hey, Dad, when can I go with you?
After lunch, probably. Oh, probably after lunch, I'm guessing.
New tires, but it is kind of nice to see new tires.
Let's see this master force at work.
Hopefully the battery didn't lose its charge.
let's see your cut.
Lost a
You want only be pooping?
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? The Sigma? Sigma?
Let's see that right
It's a nice chunk of wood right there.
Oh no.
That's getting dark, folks.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Man, them clouds are moving.
What the Sigma?
What are you doing to that, Stu? Good job. Just moving stuff.
The gray's already over there now.
Yeah.
That's right, Craig.
They can stay that way. Man, those things are flying.
They are. They are moving. I mean, it's probably because we're so high, they're really not that far above us, is why.
Yeah.
Still, where you at?
I'll let you try for a little bit, but
He's
if the
on
trail
the
stays
defender.
kind of bumpy, I'm gonna.
No,
hop
you
back.
do the locks.
Well, I'm gonna just keep going then.
What?
You'll get a chance.
Alrighty. And you know I always be driving.
Oh, I'm driving, man. Let me drive.
Break it on your wheel, man.
Saw cut nice and easy. Just don't know how long the battery lasts if you had a whole bunch of those big things.
Yeah.
Let's look for speeds. I mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna need to throw a sweatshirt on. It's getting chilly
I
up
know,
in
I'm
here.
putting my jacket on here shortly.
Same.
I have a sweatshirt and sweatpants
Terrible.
and socks, and I'm freezing.
it's so bad,
To the creek.
honestly. Oh, that was closer.
Well, I also came up right by you,
Yeah.
knowing you'd still miss.
I see how it is.
Is Evan with Blake?
Yeah.
Oh, he is? Oh,
Yep.
yeah, he is. You knew I always be soaking?
Ah, cripes! I got some water on my boots.
Hey, Norman. They should get better at driving things.
He's a man.
Oh, this trail is fun right here.
Yeah.
Man, my
Dirt,
socks be
smooth.
soaking.
Climbing, a little snow on it. We got ruts sticking out.
Yeah, Daddy,
That's about
smooth for a kid like me to drive. This is easy. I can do some easy.
I think Chase is signaling that he doesn't want to drive for the rest of the day.
That is not true.
Quit your yapping, little kid.
As the 9-year-old.
Oh, we're going to have to cut this here.
This right here section paired with that down in the meadow, that's just perfection.
Well, I'm either going to have to go over the log or have to get it cut.
Yeah, you should be fine going over.
I think you can get over that. We did yesterday, right?
Right. Yeah. Evan, you might want to sit down. I don't remember this log, but I'm sure I went over it.
Yeah, that's an easy one.
That's not bad.
Ain't no thing.
Man, we found going around, bro. Crazy cars.
remember this one. I remember that.
Gotta use my hand as windshield wiper.
With what windshield?
My goggles.
Oh, I see.
I was gonna bumpy up here and tons of puddles.
What, Stu?
There's kind of puddles and it's like really bumpy up here.
Yeah.
All this water kind of does remind me of Arkansas. Yeah, over Hans Peak area, there's not this much water.
Yeah,
Not
that's
even
the
close.
only bad thing about Hans Peak. I think the only negative is not as much water. But how many times have we gone to Hans Peak in June?
Never.
I've been there
Once.
twice in June, and I mean there's definitely more water then, but there's no big creeks, crossings, or anything like that.
Yeah. What you planning up there, boy?
Come on a little closer, baby.
Okay. I'm not your boyfriend.
That's a song. Come a little closer, baby.
I know it is not.
I ain't your boyfriend.
It's not even slinging it up. That's unfortunate.
I'm gonna just go on the left here.
This area right here is
Oh,
Blake, which way did you go?
Yeah, go right, go right.
I think I'll do that.
Because we can either.
on the main trail.
Can we
There's
please
the
go?
cabins.
Why are you boys going that way?
I don't know. I'm just following Blake.
We're all ready to the cabin?
Yeah.
Shoot, yes.
That went pretty quick.
If we're
Flies
going to
when
that
you're
other
having
trail,
fun.
we got to go to the right,
Yeah, can I
Right
drive?
now or up here?
back yonder.
Really? I thought
Maybe.
it was up here.
Are you guys stopped or are you coming?
We're coming.
I'll stop up here at the turn and we'll put jackets on and stuff. I might be at the turn here.
Turn. Oh, for that trail, I see. Okay.
There is a lot of puddles here.
Ken, how much you get that for?
3,000 and it had a few problems.
We got that Can-Am.
No, that was close to
50 is like
4,000.
12,000.
Had like 6,000 miles on it, I think.
Oh, that's nothing on a road tax.
Overall, I think this is a decent machine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're a ways from the truck, so I hope we don't get caught in a bunch of rain.
The forecast is only 20%.
My forecast a few days ago said 80%.
All right, we're not going to go plowing through this puddle.
Okay.
Slow, steady.
Oh, we're doing the long one.
Dude, you gonna go through the big puddle? Hey,
Dean, not
better
too
put
fast.
your feet up. Better put your feet up.
I really don't want to get wet. Oh, there's that view.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
The clouds
That's a
are
nice view.
right on top.
Amazing.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
So
I
much
would only-
better
I
than
would
your
play it
stinking Fortnite.
No, it's not.
Guys, he only likes Fortnite.
And Rocket League and Fall Guys.
You guys sound like Biden and Trump arguing over their golf swing.
Free is Fortnite.
This is a cool trail. Just look to your left up on this hill. Look at those big old trees that are all dead.
Could you drone through here?
Big stick in the road. Oh, big log.
Possibly.
Dad, I was just flashing. We're catching up to them.
Oh, this has been cut very recently. Did we make it? We didn't make it this far yesterday, did we?
No.
There's Jada. He turned around.
That tree is like curvy. It's
And
weird.
then goes up.
Yeah, the base starts at an angle and then it curves straight up.
That is weird.
This just all of a sudden turned into a nice smooth trail.
Yeah.
I want to dive in. Play it smooth.
Oh, we got a nice view.
That's what I
Real
want to hear.
nice view.
Yeah.
It's definitely drier over here.
Yeah. Been some smooth trail though.
Yeah. You boys enjoying wasting gas?
We're enjoying listening to the beautiful sounds of machines. Oh,
Doesn't that look cool, Stu? Oh, look at this one right here. There's like a spine of rocks coming out, just like a ridge there. You see that?
I can't believe how many trees are knocked down here.
Alright.
I can't believe how many trees are knocked down here.
Oh.
Anybody get pictures of that? I might take a couple.
South French Creek.
Are you guys stopping to take photos?
Yeah, we'll catch up.
I'm gonna go. There's a trail that went down to it over here.
.1 miles for the trip, so probably around 105, 106.
Well, you're going that way.
Because I started a little late.
There's a lot of water in there.
Oh, this is awesome.
I'm getting off right here.
Stu, you want your picture by it?
Oh. That's a river right there.
You want to go down there, Dean? Gonna walk over there.
I'm going to do it farther. And
Oh,
how
it-
far is
I
that?
mean, 10, 15 seconds.
Oh wow, that's went fast.
Not terrible
Careful,
long,
Dean.
but
You get in that water, it's taking it. It's taking you with it. That is moving.
Oh.
I gotta take a lead.
This is not a creek, it's a river.
Could be.
rivers are a lot wider.
Well, there's rivers like the Encampment River. This is just as big as that.
I'd call it a river.
I call it a
The
river
sign
too.
calls it a creek.
It is a creek. That's what they call it. What an awesome stop, guys. That is just amazing. We're going to keep going here, and I think this trail kind of follows this creek a little bit for a way, so we're going to see what else we can find here.